will mDLs actually be replacing the physical document? Jeff, can you answer that?
Yes, Randy, thank you, and thank you for the question. I think it's important to keep in mind that at the outset for the issuing authorities, at no point was it assumed that they would be at a fork in the road and having to make a choice in their programs on, do they continue doing physical documents or do they start doing these mDLs? Every single conversation that took place and continues to take place is one where, in addition to the physical documents, people are looking at programs to start doing mDLs, and at the option of their customer, not as a mandate. And so it really is not being treated as or looked as a replacement or in lieu of. It is something in addition to.